Do you know what your life insurance would cover? Do you know if it's enough? Well, by the end of this video, you're going to have a much better understanding of some things you should look at to make sure you've got covered with your life insurance policy. My name is Jake Williams, and I'm a life insurance specialist with Step Up Wealth Management. For more information on life insurance or its role in a comprehensive financial plan, be sure to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell. That way, you find out immediately anytime I upload new videos. So, when I talk to people about life insurance, a lot of times what I hear is, oh, I just want to make sure we can pay off the house, cover any debts, and that's all. I don't want to do any more. And those are some very good things to cover with life insurance. However, I feel like that leaves you extremely underinsured and it leaves your loved ones on the hook for a lot of things that you could take care of with your life insurance policy without adding a ton to your premium. So instead of just paying off your debts and that's all, I encourage people to look at it this way. And it's that life insurance can't replace the person. And let's be real, it's not meant to. But what it can do is it can replace some of the things that they do. For example, their income, right? In a marriage, a lot of times now both people are earning a significant portion of the income. Very rarely now do you see where it's one person that is earning all of the income. Now, there may be an imbalance where one person is earning a lot more, but typically both members of a household now are earning a significant income. And a family comes to rely on that income. And if one of those family members, one of those income earners, were to pass away, there would have to be sacrifices made due to the lost income. But if you factor the income into the amount of insurance coverage that you look at, you can take care of that. So, for example, if you look at 10, 15, or 20 years of that person's income, okay, maybe not the entire thing in one lump sum, but if you get a lump sum that you could then invest or turn into a stream of income for 20, 30 years, you can replace some of the income that would be lost if you were to lose an income earner. Another thing that people often don't factor into their life insurance policies is the responsibilities of the person being insured. If you've got a family, you're going to need someone to watch the kids, drive the kids to practice, pick them up from school, feed them, take care of all of those things. And if one parent passes away, all of those responsibilities fall onto the other. If you factor in costs such as childcare or transportation or things like that into the amount of life insurance that you're looking for, you can make sure that your spouse and your children are taken care of. Think about how many more years your children would need childcare. How much does a year of childcare cost? Multiply that out, and then that's the amount that you want to make sure you've got covered in your life insurance policy. If you would need to hire someone to help take care of the kids, those are things that you might need to factor into a budget in terms of how much you are looking for in life insurance. And the last thing is some things outside of the household that the insured might do. Do you like to support a charity or an organization, either with your time or with your money? You know, if you lose a family member, it might not be as easy to support that charity, but if you build some of that cost into your life insurance coverage, you can make sure that that charity or that organization continues to receive your support, even if a family member does pass away and you are unable to physically or financially offer that support on an ongoing basis. Are there other things that you've heard of that you might want to include in your life insurance policy? Drop me a comment down below and let me know. I would love to hear what you guys are hearing. I would love to see what it is you guys have been told, and I like to just apply that knowledge or just see how it might change how I think. I love to continue learning. If you liked the information, give me a thumbs up, let me know, but also, and most importantly, click on the link in the description below where you will be directed to my masterclass for a lot deeper dive into this information and be directed to apply to become my client. I hope you got some good information today, and I hope it really helped you out, whether you're a client of mine or not. I hope you learned something. And remember, take care of your now, your future, and beyond.